As you can see, we're all here this evening from the Common Law Information Centre, Letterkenny, County Donegal, and we're here to provide some background information on a company called BRG Gibson Auctions. Now, this company is involved in theft of private property, and at the moment they have over 14, I think 16 maybe, properties in Donegal here for sale, which they intend selling on the Thursday, the 27th of February, online. And beside me here I have a man who has 3 properties. They have 3 properties of his up for sale. Now, these properties are not the subject of any court orders or repossessions or whatever. These people are just walking in and stealing people's property, putting it up online and selling it. So what we're asking people to do who is watching this video, make sure that nobody bids for any of these properties on Thursday. Now, as well as that, there are court orders being issued here, left, right and centre from all the courts all over the country. And these court orders are basically not worth the paper they're printed on. So I'm going to ask Michael, my colleague here, to show you exactly what is involved in these court orders and what they're about. Okay, thanks, Michael.
Right, if you can zoom in on that, John, there. Right, this is an order. Michael was in court with AIB, as you can read on the docket there, 19 separate times. And they were looking for, as you can see in the second paragraph, a judgment for the amount of money they were looking for. This is Justice Barrett in the High Court. They did not get their order, and I'll show you what they did get. We just go here to the second page. It's the second paragraph. You see, they did not get their judgment, but what the judge did say, they could go forward with a plenary hearing. Now, what's a plenary hearing? This time, Michael would be entitled to a jury. And if there's a trial in the High Court with a jury, 90% of the time, it's actually on the 6-1 news on the evening. Now, what did Allied Irish Bank do? They didn't want the CEO up on the stand being cross-examined by Michael. So what did they do? They sold it to Everyday Finance. This man's properties, there are no court orders, there are no possession orders on this man's property. This is pure theft.
Okay, so just to go back again, and who are BRG Gibson Auctions? Well, they're basically Barry, Reardon and Gibson. Now, they started their company in 2010, and their headquarters is in Belfast. And the 2 main directors in Belfast are Gary Nicholas Gibson and George Tyrone Gibson. But in 2018, they came this down south, on this side of the border, set up what you could only describe as a sub-office in a Georgian building in Dublin. And basically, the 2 people there involved, the main man is James Reardon. He's one of the directors. As I've already said, he's Barry, Reardon and Gibson. Now, the man who's basically in charge of all the properties and the selling of the properties in Donegal is a man by the name of Philip Esler. Now, these people are continuing to steal property and sell it online. This has to stop. We will not allow this to happen. We don't want another Roscommon. And the buyer beware, do not attempt to bid for any of these properties online on Thursday, please. Okay, thank you.